Hello, friends and fellow entrepreneurs. Today we are talking about when to get an attorney. You're going to need one pretty quickly in the process, but there is some research and development that you can do to try and figure out what's the competitive landscape look like, what's your market look like, who might your target audience be before you start down that path. But when you start thinking about getting partners involved, working with a development company, working with the marketing company, you definitely want to get an attorney involved. The importance of an attorney, especially one who knows entrepreneurs, who knows business, who understands corporate structures, tax advantages and disadvantages to various structures, is super, super important. Why is that? When you start working with other people on your idea, you want to spell out what happens in the case when things go wrong or when things don't go like we planned. This is particularly important when you're talking about investors, which we did a podcast on the other day. And I compared it to a prenuptial agreement. That's not really about the marriage. It's not saying how the marriage is going to go. It's saying, how are we going to treat each other if we get a divorce at some time in the future? And so you want to make sure that you're working with an attorney who's thinking about your interests, who's thinking about all the things that could go wrong, who's thinking about, they're kind of doomsday scenario people, but you need them because everything's going to be coming up roses until it's not. So as soon as you start getting someone else invested in your idea, whether that's a partner or you're giving away equity to someone, or you need an NDA or something like that, get a really good business attorney. Bonus points for business attorneys who understand cash flow issues in being an entrepreneur and will let you float for a little bit. All right.